That is the required depreciation. So total depreciation after 3 years equals to this 85,400. Next, a book was sold for rupees 27.50 with a profit of 10%. If it were sold for rupees 25.75, then what would have been the percentage of profit or loss? See, there are two selling prices given. Means if it was sold for 27.5, then there is a profit of 10%. Now if it is sold for 25.75, then what? So SP1 is 27.5, SP2 is 25.75. So let's solve. SP1 equals to 27.50. Now profit given is 10%. But what is profit? Profit equals to 10 upon 100 into CP, cost price, right? Means how is the profit calculated? See this, profit percentage is 10%. Now 10% of what? Profit is always on cost price. So 10% of CP. Now of means multiply and percent means 100. So 10 upon 100 into CP. That is the actual profit. Right? So 10 upon 100 it becomes CP upon 10. That is the profit now. But what is profit now? Profit equals to selling price minus cost price. Right? So cost price upon 10, this equals to selling price is 27.5 minus CP, right? So take CP on one side. So CP upon 10 plus CP equals to 27.5. Solve this. 10 plus 1 11. 11 upon 10 CP equals to 27.5. Therefore CP equals to take 10 on this side, 11 below. So what happens? 275 it becomes 27. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yogaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.